Hello Nigerian celebrities. Ẹ súnmọ́ bí, gbogbo yín ni mo fẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu. I know most of you speak English and many of you understand Yoruba, so this will be a mix. Nigerian celebrities, mo fẹ́ bẹ̀ yín ni. Mi ò dẹ̀ bẹ̀ yín torí tèmi, mi ì bẹ̀ yín torí ẹnì kankan, torí tara yín ni mo sì fẹ́ bẹ̀ yín. Because of your own sanity, because of your own happiness, this thing has been upon my heart to just let you understand. Ẹ máa ń ṣe nǹkan kan tó ṣe wípé a lot of you make the same mistakes every time, and I see it happen over and over again, and it is getting very bad. And it is strictly within us, within Africans, especially Nigerians. Kí lẹ máa ń ṣe yìí? Wọ́n ní inú ilé ẹni láti máa ń jẹ èkúté onídodo. Whatever you want to eat in your house, no matter how it looks, once you are eating it in your house, it will remain a secret. As long as it fills your belly and you're okay, you're good. What is it with you people going on podcasts, going on all these interviews and spilling things that will now be weaponized against you? It is getting annoying. You know, there are some things that I want to tell you boldly that as part of the audience, these informations are not our business. Kokonwa. We do not care. We do not need them. If you want to motivate people, just tell them. Find a way to tell them that hard work pays, a lot of endurance, yes, a lot of sacrifices, yes. But there are some gory details that you need to keep to yourself. And many of you think it is because, you're celebrities, so you don't want people to take the news, you don't want other people to be carrying it as rumors, so it's better you say it out yourself. Shoot in the foot. That is where you shoot yourself in the foot. You go on podcasts, and the people that are interviewing you are just they are basically using your information to gather crowd. They don't really care about you or what you are saying. They don't care about the aftermath of what you are saying. You will say what you want to say, and at the end of the day,